Welcome. If you've ever scrolled endlessly through a WhatsApp group chat trying to find an important message, this update is going to make your life a lot easier. Today, you'll learn exactly how to pin a message in a WhatsApp group step by step so you can highlight key updates, reminders, or announcements for everyone to see. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're running the latest version since the pin feature for group chats is part of WhatsApp's newer updates. Once you're in, go to the group where you want to pin a message. Scroll through the conversation and find the message you want to pin. It could be anything important, meeting details, an event date, or just a note you want the group to remember. When you found it, long tap on that message and hold for a moment. This will highlight the message and show some options at the top of your screen. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots, the small menu icon that opens extra options. From the menu, select the option labeled Pin. Once you tap Pin, WhatsApp will give you a few time options for how long you want the message to stay pinned. You might see options like 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Choose the one that fits your need best by simply tapping on it. WhatsApp will confirm your choice, and just like that, the message will appear pinned at the top of your group chat. Everyone in the group will now see that pinned message right at the top, keeping it visible and easy to access without scrolling through hundreds of messages. It's perfect for keeping everyone on the same page, especially in busy group conversations. So that's how you pin a message in your WhatsApp group quick, simple, and super handy. Try it out today and make your group chats more organized and efficient than ever before.